In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can add an item to cart on Alibaba. Now, a lot of people don't know how to add an item to cart on Alibaba because you don't like use all the features Alibaba offers. Like you just need to search for what you want to add to your cart. Here you just need to search for the products that have same like category, stuff like that. You just need to search, for example, for example iPhone, and after you find all these products, the first thing you need to do, like before you try to click on one of these products, you need to do one thing, which is a lot of people don't do. That's why they can't add an item to cart. Alright, now you need to click here where it says ready to ship. As you can see, product features, check this, ready to ship. And after that, guys, you need again to scroll down, and here where it says minimum order, you need to select one and then click OK. Now here, all these products that you see right now, you can easily add them to your cart. Click on one of them, and here you will find add to cart. You can see it here. Now it says here add to cart success. Now if you go in the top right, you want to click your cart, and you just need to enter your address just like you do on Amazon and eBay. For example, you want to select the products. If you have added multiple products, you want to select one by one, check them, then click on checkout. Now after you click guys on checkout, you will have to enter your address, stuff like that, and then you can pay using your credit card here. So I hope guys this video helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.